Hi everyone, and welcome to another video. In this video, I am preparing Miso Shiitake mushroom risotto. Here are the ingredients you will need to prepare this recipe. Diced shallots, diced garlic, parsley, place the rice in a large bowl and pour the mushroom broth over it. Whisk the mixture for 15 seconds to release the starch from the rice, which helps the risotto become creamier. For this recipe, I am using a mushroom broth that I prepared ahead of time. I'll include the link in the description box below. Pour the mixture through a strainer. Set it over a bowl to catch the broth. The broth might appear cloudy, which is normal. That is the starch. Select the saute setting on the Instant Pot, and after a few minutes, add the olive oil, followed by the shallots and garlic. Cook for 1 minute, tossing frequently. Add in the sliced mushrooms, parsley and thyme, pepper, and cook until the mushrooms are brown and most of the liquid has evaporated. Add the drained rice to the Instant Pot and stir to coat, ensuring every grain of the rice is coated in oil. If needed, add a bit more olive oil at this stage to prevent the rice from burning. Cook until the edges of the rice have turned translucent, but the center is still opaque. This will take approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Pour in the wine to deglaze the pan, using a wooden spoon to scrape up any brown bits on the bottom of the pot. Cook, stirring occasionally, until the liquid has mostly evaporated and the smell of alcohol has dissipated. in the miso and the tamari soy sauce and stir into all of the rice grains. Add in the reserved broth and stir well to combine, scraping any final brown bits from the bottom of the pot. Then select the cancel setting. Secure the lid and set the pressure release to sealing. Select the rice cook setting and cook the rice for approximately 10 minutes. Once the timer has completed, allow a natural pressure release for about 10 minutes and then switch the pressure release knob from sealing to venting to release any remaining steam. Carefully open the lid. You may notice some excess liquid on the surface of the risotto. Allow the risotto to cool down. This will allow the rice grains to absorb any excess liquid. Here's the final product. I hope you enjoyed this video and give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching and have a great day.